morning, sir.
I would like to thank Global Spoken English for giving me an opportunity for my pronunciation skills. My name is Mohammed Anas and I belong to Ghosi. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on never compare yourself to others. Before starting my speech, I want to speak few lines in Hindi. Don't compare your life with others because God has different plans for everyone. अपने जीवन की तुलना दूसरे से ना करें क्योंकि गॉड के पास सभी के लिए अलग-अलग योजनाएं हैं. Don't compare your life with others. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when is their time. You are the unique. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. You should compare yourself today just with who you were yesterday and always try to be better than yesterday. Other people have different ideas, background, childhood life than you. Show the best version of you. You can control your own life. You should respect yourself and your time. We waste precious energy focusing on other people rather than our own. Before ending my talk, let me share you all some beautiful heart-touching lines. There is one gap between dream and success, and that is hard work. सपनों और सफलता में सिर्फ एक ही फासला है, और वह है कड़ी मेहनत का. I end up my talk. The special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with a great passion. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.
सलाम बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता. अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है. तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,